Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will learn how to generate graphs and charts in the Excel sheet with the help of artificial intelligence being incorporated in the Office 365, especially Excel. Here is the ordinary data that I have generated. And this data, we have three parameters. Parameter first is the control, free T3 thyroid hormone, a type of thyroid hormone, control free T4, another kind of thyroid hormone, and the whole data is the control data, because in research we do have two type of data. Either it may be of cases data or control data. And CTSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, and it is the hormone that stimulates the secretion of the thyroid hormone from the thyroid gland. So it is a kind of continuous data, and we today we will learn how to generate a meaningful graph from this data. So with the help of artificial intelligence, it is very easy to generate an Excel. Let's start how do how we can generate it. First of all, you need to select your data, and I have selected it. And then you need to go to insert portion. So I have clicked the insert portion here in the ribbon of the Excel. Then you need to go to recommended chart and click it. Upon clicking the recommended charts, it will give different type of chart. It will recommend different type of charts. So as it is continuous data, and I will prefer the line chart. And the line chart, let's see the preview. And the preview, we have three lines. One line, a gray color line, it is for the control TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. The second line, it is the orange line, and it is for the C free T4, thyroid hormone, tetraiodothyroxine. And then we have a blue line, and the blue line is for the values of the continuous value of the triiodothyronine. So if we select, I have selected it, and let's go. Let's see how it gave the chart. So it is the chart that is generated by the artificial intelligence incorporated into the uh, Excel. So we can also edit it